The Merrillville community is still grappling with destruction from an EF-2 tornado that ripped through neighborhoods like this one. As residents pick up the pieces and begin the long road to recovery, there's also an ongoing race to restore power to thousands in the area. At grocery store Strack and Van Til,
How many do you want? This one?
staff offer free meals for the Merrillville community impacted by storms that produce tornadoes and damage.
We know that there is no power in the area, and ultimately we're trying to find ways that we can help.
COO Joe Stupka tells me the grocer will offer meals again on Sunday.
We just want to make sure that the community is able to eat.
Nearby, the race is on to restore power.
All available crew resources are out here cleaning up.
Officials with the Northern Indiana Public Service Company, or NIPSCO, say crews have made significant progress.
At peak, we were at about 86,460 customer outages, and right now we are about 25,000.
Inside one of the most impacted neighborhoods in Merrillville,
it sounded like the train was in our front yard, but it was the sound of the tornado.
Crystal Webb and her family are without power, but getting by with a generator. Her home sustained roof damage, but destruction just down the street shows just how close more severe danger was.
It didn't feel real. It still doesn't feel real. Looking around, like I've walked in the cul-de-sac since Thursday night, and it's just unbelievable.
Once we got over here and just saw this sheer devastation, it made me super grateful that my house was still standing and that my children were safe.
Amanda McGoldrick and Brian Sprinkle are grateful their home just off West 61st Avenue and Rutledge Street sustained minor damage in comparison to neighbors. Seeing their community in need, they stepped up.
So I thought to myself, let's go to Costco and Sam's and get a ton of food and just promote it to the community that, we're gonna make a hot meal. Come eat with us, have community, talk together.
McGoldrick and Sprinkle will continue serving food through the weekend.
We just want to be able to help from within the community.
And continue demonstrating their neighborhood's resiliency.
We are Merrillville strong.
NIPSCO told us that the estimated time of restoration for 99% of customers in the area is expected to be Tuesday evening. In Merrillville, Victor Jacobo, CBS News, Chicago.